What if the secret isn't what you eat, but when? That one question is the whole idea behind intermittent fasting. You split your day into two windows, one window to eat, one window to rest. And that simple switch changes a lot inside you. No special foods, no counting every single calorie, just a clock. Let's break it down, simply. Most of us eat from the moment we wake up, right until we fall asleep. That's 16 hours of eating. So your body is almost never in a fasted state. Intermittent fasting flips that around. You eat inside a set window, say, 8 hours, and you fast the other 16. During the fast, water, black coffee, tea, that's it. It's not really a diet. It's a schedule. Here's why the clock matters so much. Every time you eat, insulin rises to store the energy. Graze all day, and insulin stays high all day. And high insulin tells your body, store fat, don't burn it. Fasting finally gives insulin a long break, so your body switches to burning its own fat, and begins a cellular cleanup, repair mode. You're not starving, you're just switching fuel. There's no single, right, way. Pick what fits your life. 16-8, eat in 8 hours, fast 16. The most popular. Usually that just means skipping breakfast. 14-10 is gentler, perfect for beginners. OMAD, 1 meal a day, a 23-hour fast. Advanced. 5-2, eat normally 5 days a week. And eat very light on 2. Eat stop eat, a full 24-hour fast, once or twice a week. Same idea, just different schedules. Start easy. You can always tighten the window later. Consistency beats intensity, every time. The best method is the one you'll actually keep. During your fast, what can you actually have? Water, yes. Stay hydrated all day. Black coffee and plain tea, also yes. Sugar, milk, snacks, no. They spike your insulin. Even, just a little, can quietly end the fast. The rule is simple, 0 calories until your window opens. So what do you actually get out of it? Easier fat loss, you naturally eat a little less. Better insulin sensitivity over time. Sharper focus, once your body adapts. Cellular repair, and possibly slower aging. And it's simple, far fewer meals to plan. But let's be honest, it's not magic. Eat junk in your window, and results stall. So how do you start, without suffering? Push breakfast an hour later, each day. Work up to 12 hours, then 14, then 16. Drink water and a pinch of salt to calm early hunger. Hunger comes in waves, and it passes. Biggest mistake, binging the second the window opens. Break your fast with real food, not a sugar bomb. And don't ignore sleep and stress, they matter too. One honest warning, fasting isn't for everyone. Not if you're pregnant, underweight, or still growing. And not with any history of disordered eating. On medication? Talk to a doctor first. Done right, intermittent fasting is a powerful, simple tool. You're just giving your body time to rest and reset. It's not a magic trick, it's a rhythm. Pick a window. Stay consistent. Let your body do the rest.